Ever walk into a car dealership and feel like the salesperson across the table has been preparing for this negotiation their entire career? It's a game with an uneven playing field. Shefska, co-founder and CEO of CarEdge, built an AI tool that can negotiate car prices for you, leveling the playing field between consumers and dealerships. Point 1. AI can help put you in the driver's seat. For decades, car salespeople had one big advantage: practice. They sell cars every day. You might buy a car once every 5 years. So Shefska created CarEdge, an AI-powered platform that handles the toughest part of car buying: negotiation. In Shefska's words, AI agents are trained with all the market insights and data they need to effectively negotiate a car deal. Here's how the AI-powered negotiator works. You pick your car on CarEdge. The AI agent contacts dealerships for you, compares prices, and negotiates, all while you watch the conversation unfold via email or text. Once the deal looks good, you take the wheel and close it. Point 2. An AI negotiator can save you time, money, and stress. No more endless emails, awkward calls, or wondering if you just got upsold. Each AI agent is trained on thousands of data points, from market trends to fair pricing, so it knows what's reasonable and what's pure dealership drama. Shefska points out that AI agents save consumers time and money by representing them. And because the AI works for you, not the dealer, its only goal is to get you a fair deal. No commission, no pressure, no "let me talk to my manager." Point 3. AI can help you get exactly what you want. Not sure what kind of car you even want? CarEdge's concierge feature walks you through your must-haves versus nice-to-haves. Kind of like dating apps, but for vehicles. Once you've narrowed it down, your AI negotiator jumps in to find the best available options at the best prices. According to Shefska, AI flips the script and empowers consumers with an autonomous partner who can do the heavy lifting. It's transparency in a market that's been anything but. With CarEdge's AI negotiator, you can skip the haggling, save money, and finally feel great about your purchase. Because when the AI works for you, the only thing you'll be negotiating is where to road trip first. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.